The Tecno Camon series has always been known for pushing smartphones photography to the next level, and in 2026 Tecno is taking things even further with the Camon 50 series. This new lineup includes the Camon 50, the Camon 50 Pro, and the flagship Camon 50 Ultra 5G. All three devices focus heavily on camera performance, AI-powered features, premium displays, strong durability. But the big question is, are these really worth buying? In this video, we are going to take a detailed look at the Tecno Camon 50 series, exploring the design, display, camera system, performance, battery life, and pricing to help you decide which one might be the best for you. Before we get started, just take a second and subscribe to my channel to never miss out on my tech content. I've realized that so many people are just watching my content and they are not subscribing. Over 97% of the viewership of my channel have not subscribed to my channel. So take your moment and subscribe. This is the only way that you can support this channel. Now let's get started. Starting with the design and build quality, the Camon 50 series delivers a premium look that immediately stands out in the mid-range smartphone market. All three models features a large 6.78-inch AMOLED display that supports an incredibly smooth 144Hz refresh rate and a sharp 1.5K resolution of 1208 by 2644 pixel. This means scrolling through apps, watching movies and videos, and playing games feels extremely fluid and visually impressive. The display also offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness levels, making it great for multimedia consumption. The standard Camon 50 comes with a flat AMOLED display, while the Camon 50 Pro introduces a stylish 43.5-degree curved screen that adds a more premium feel. The Camon 50 Ultra 5G takes things even further with a refined curved AMOLED panel that enhances the overall flagship experience. Durability is another major highlight of this series. Tecno has equipped the Camon 50 lineup with high-level IP68, IP69, and IP69K water and dust resistance rating. These certifications mean that phones are built to withstand harsh environment, heavy splashes, and even powerful water jets. In fact, Tecno has designed these devices to support underwater photography, allowing users to capture photos and videos while submerged in water. This level of protection is rarely seen in mid-range smartphone and makes the Camon 50 series stand out in terms of durability and reliability. Now, let's talk about the most important feature of this lineup, the camera. The entire Camon 50 series is built around a powerful 50 megapixel Sony LYT700C main sensor. This sensor is paired with optical image stabilization, also known as the OIS, and a large 1/1.56-inch sensor size that allows the camera to capture more light. In practical use, this results in sharper images, improved dynamic range, and significantly better low-light photography compared to many other phones in the same price category. Tecno has also optimized the camera with advanced image processing and AI enhancement to improve portrait shots, night photography, and video stability. The camera setup differs slightly depending on the model you choose. The standard Camon 50 features a 50 megapixel main sensor with OIS along with an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens that allows you to capture wider scenes such as landscape or group photos. On the front, the phone includes a 32 megapixel selfie camera that is more than capable of producing detailed selfies and high quality video calls. The Camon 50 Pro upgrades the camera system by adding a powerful 50 megapixel telephoto lens that supports 3 times optical zoom. This makes it easier to capture distant subjects without losing image quality, and also improves portrait photography with more natural background blur. The Pro model still retains the ultra-wide lens and offers a 32 megapixel front camera depending on the specific variant. The most advanced camera system in the lineup belongs to the Camon 50 Ultra 5G. This flagship model features an impressive triple 50 megapixel camera setup that includes the main Sony sensor, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50 megapixel telephoto lens capable of 5 times optical zoom. This combination allows the ultra-wide model to capture incredibly detailed photos across different focal lengths, whether you are shooting landscape, portrait, or zoomed in subjects. On the front, the ultra-wide also includes a 50 megapixel selfie camera with autofocus, making it ideal for vloggers, content creators, and anyone who want extremely sharp front-facing photos and videos. Performance is another area where Camon 50 series aims to deliver a smooth and responsive experience. Both the Camon 50 and the Camon 50 Pro are powered by the Helio G200 Ultimate processor built on a 6nm architecture. This chipset is designed to handle everyday tasks like social media, video streaming, gaming, and multitasking with ease. The flagship Camon 50 Ultra 5G takes performance to the next level by using the Dimensity 7400 Ultimate chipset built on a more efficient 4nm process. This chip provides faster processing speed and better power efficiency and full support of 5G connectivity, making the Ultra model the most powerful device in the series. In terms of memory and storage, the Camon 50 series offers generous configuration. The base Camon 50 comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, which is more than enough for most users. The Camon 50 Pro upgrades this to 12GB of RAM and the same 256GB of storage, allowing for even smoother multitasking and apps performance. The flagship Camon 50 Ultra 5G goes even further with 12GB of RAM and a massive 512GB of internal storage, giving users plenty of space for photos, videos, games, and applications. One of the newest additions to this series is the Tecno One Tap AI key, which introduces a variety of artificial intelligence features designed to enhance the user experience. With this dedicated AI key, users can quickly access tools like the AI Art Gallery, which can transform photos into artistic images, and the AI Image to Video Generator that can turn static images into short animated clips. The phone also includes AI tools for summarizing YouTube videos, intelligent photo editing, and other smart features that make content creation and productivity easier. Battery is another strong area of the Camon 50 series. The phone comes equipped with large batteries ranging from approximately 6150 mAh to 6500 mAh. Depending on the model, this large capacity ensures that the phone can easily last an entire day of heavy usage, including streaming videos, browsing social media, and taking photos. When it comes to recharge, the device supports 45 watts fast charging, which helps quickly refill the battery and reduce downtime. Finally, let's talk about the pricing in Kenya. The Tecno Camon 50 series launched in March 2026 with competitive prices across the lineup. The Camon 50 is expected to cost between 35,000 to 37,500 Kenya shillings, making it a strong option for users who want powerful camera phone at an affordable price. The Camon 50 Pro sits in the mid-range segment with a price of around 40,000 to around 44,000 Kenya shillings, offering better zoom photography and more RAM. The flagship Camon 50 Ultra 5G ranges from 53,000 all the way to 69,000 Kenya shilling, depending on the variant and the retailer. Overall, the Camon 50 series offers an impressive combination: advanced camera system, premium display, powerful AI tools, large batteries, and solid performance at competitive prices. The Camon 50 is a great choice for users who want excellent photography without spending too much. The Camon 50 Pro strikes a balance between performance and camera versatility, and the Camon 50 Ultra 5G delivers a near flagship experience with a powerful processor and triple 50 megapixel camera system. So if you are looking for a smartphone that focuses heavily on photography while still delivering strong performance and modern features, the Tecno Camon 50 series is definitely worth considering. Let me know in the comments which model would you choose: the Camon 50, the Camon 50 Pro, and the Camon 50 Ultra 5G. And as always, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification so you never miss out our latest tech reviews. See you in the next one. Bye.